Oh, bud, what do you got there?
Mower.
Got your new free mower?
Yeah.
Oh, the junk gifts just keep on coming.
Hoarder.
Yeah, you can put your cerveza there. Oh, pardon. Hello, my friends, my cyber friends. Chick I work with, her name's JoJo, at least that's what I call her. Her mother-in-law was getting rid of this mower, and she asked if, what it was worth or whatever, and I'm like, I don't know, does this thing run? She's like, no. I said, well, it's not worth much if it doesn't run. And she's like, well, do you want it? And I said, yeah, sure, I'm a hoarder, I'll take it. So last night, Liam and I loaded up the van with this Simplicity Coronet. I don't know how old this thing is, but she gave me the manuals and stuff too. So this one's hydrostatic, 13 horse. It's in pretty good shape. It's not too mangled. It was an older lady that cut her grass with it, and it cranks and stuff. And it had, it's got oil in it. The oil looks clean. She said that she recently got it tuned up or something, whatever that means. So I don't know what the deal is. The fuel, it's got almost, it's got half a tank of fuel in it. So it could be something simple. It could be something crazy. I mean, some kind of wiring issue maybe. Yeah, battery's good. It cranks up. So we're gonna figure out what's going on with it, because if this thing works, then I'm gonna have him cut the damn grass, because I'm tired of cutting grass. Hey, free junk. Let's see if we can get it to work. If it doesn't work, then we'll turn it into scrapyard material. So, all right, first things first, we're gonna check for spark. So right down here is the spark plug, and I haven't messed with any of this stuff yet, so we'll take this off. The plug even looks kind of new. So let me get some cool tools, and we'll flip that baby off and see what it looks like.
Maybe I can install a headlight.
That's nice. Alright, so that's kind of convenient. Oh, I'm not seeing any spark. Okay, what's next? Probably we should check the coil. Man, do I have to take this bar off? Oh boy. Okay, so here is our coil. I don't see any physical damage. There needs to be a certain amount of clearance. We'll test the coil first, and we'll see if it's good. Then, if it's not, this is what we'll need. We'll need to get a coil. Alright, I got our old pal, the Fluke multimeter. Alright, so memory serves, we gotta go to ohms. You jam positive in here, and then negative here. You should see it's showing, well, now it's showing 4.8. 4.8. And that's in K, so I think coil's okay then. Yeah, so 4,000 ohms. This coil's good. This is your ground wire. If there is something that is causing this not to work, if I disconnect this, If I disconnect this, I should see some spark. All right, I'm gonna put the plug back in this piece and see if it'll fire up.
So close.
There we go. Okay, so we got some good news. I'm going to let Liam explain it since he helped me troubleshoot it.
So when we were working on it, we noticed that the wire behind the starter, this wire was a little bit like crushed.
Yep.
So we like took it out and we fixed it.
But I'm like, well, there's something got to be going on with the wire, and so we went and looked, and sure enough, it was crushed here, and it was grounding out on the block. So now with it just dangling here, you push in the clutch, give a little gassy.
You can turn it off and on.
Yep. So I don't know, like there's some space here. I'm thinking that maybe I'll put this whole wire in some shrink tube and protect it a little bit better. So let's do that.
You can see that
it got crushed.
and there's some of the wire showing on there.
Is there some wire showing?
Yeah, like on there.
Yep,
Can see that
you can
it's
see a
cracked
little.
right there.
Yeah, so that's what was happening.
That
It was grounding
out
out.
on the block before it could hit.
Well, cool. That's great. That's an easy fix.
Before it could hit the coil, it actually hit the block. So.
That's right. Yep, it's grounding out. So we'll do that. Let's fix the wire really quick and get this thing back together. Okay, moment of truth. What do you think, okay? Free mower runs good. All right, cool. Turning in to start it. Yep. Let out. Now to go forward. Wait, hold on. To go forward, yep. Go like this. Oh, jeez. I get this thing working, and now I can't get this kid off of the damn thing. That cuts grass pretty good. Nice, perfect line. The whole thing cuts grass good. We got to work on the kid's technique. But yeah, thanks for watching.